Hey guys, Tori here. I got my second JuJuBe warehouse sale order in the mail, and I wanted to do a live unboxing with you. I've just cut the top. I haven't taken anything out yet, but I wanted to just show you guys first along with myself. So let's dig right in. Okay, first off, I got the Itty Bitty Bee in the Sea Punk print. Let's see what that looks like. I got this for my 2.5-year-old. She is all about some baby dolls right now, and so I got this for her to put all of her little Baby Alive goodies that come with all those little dolls. Put all that down in. Oh my gosh, look. It even comes with a little mini change pad. I bet she'd never notice if I just kept this and had a little custom piece made out of it or something. It'd be really cool to make something. Heck, I'd make her get something made for her even. She's going to love this though. Oh my gosh, look how cute the little print is. And this hot pink is to die for. I wish I could have got something else in this print. Let me, hold on. She's going to sleep. I might have to pause and come back. Here. Okay. Sorry, guys. Little Elise is really tired. We had our family reunion today, and Abby went home with my mom, but Elise is here, and she's trying to go to sleep. She's been up since about 4 a.m. Okay, so anyway, so it comes with a little strap, too, and everything. And then what I've been waiting for literally a month is my BFF in the Rainbow Dreams print. And oh my goodness, I couldn't have gotten any luckier if I tried. Oh my gosh, look. I'm gonna pack it up here. Oh, it's gonna be clipped. Here in just a bit, and I'll try to do that packing video with it tonight if Elise cooperates. This is really nice. Let's just take a look at this inside. Oh man, I'm really excited for this. Okay. All right, guys, but that's what I got. This is the rest of my warehouse order came. If you liked my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Gonna do a packing video of the BFF. This is like a mini version of the Be Classy. That is so precious. She can put her little bottles down in the side, I think. Oh no, it's just a little fake. But it does have a pocket in the back. And it has this open pocket. That's really cute. And then this little mini mommy pocket. Lisa's watching me. Not really. Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap it up so I can get little Elise to take her a nap. But, yeah, so this is it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you'll get a notification when I post the packing video of this up here in just a little bit. Thanks for watching.